Today we're diving into OBS Studio, the free screen recording software that everyone seems to be talking about. But is it really the best option out there, or are there hidden drawbacks that users should know about? Let's find out. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster software, is a powerful tool designed for video recording and live streaming. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is that it's completely free and open source, which is a huge plus for budget-conscious creators. The interface can be a little intimidating for beginners, with a lot of options laid out. But once you get the hang of it, you can customize your workspace to fit your needs perfectly. The software supports multiple sources, allowing users to mix video, audio, and even overlay seamlessly. It's particularly popular among gamers and content creators who need high-quality recordings and live streaming capabilities. However, while it excels in functionality, some users might find the initial setup to be quite overwhelming, especially if they're new to screen recording. There's also a bit of a learning curve when it comes to optimizing settings for the best performance. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, OBS Studio delivers exceptional video quality, and the customization options are practically endless, making it a favorite among advanced users. Plus, being free means you're getting a lot of value without spending a dime. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The steep learning curve can be frustrating, especially for those who just want a quick recording solution. Additionally, the lack of official support can leave some users feeling stranded if they encounter issues. While there are plenty of tutorials available, they can be hit or miss. Also, some users have reported performance issues on lower-end systems, which is something to keep in mind. In conclusion, OBS Studio is a fantastic option for those who need a robust free screen recording tool and are willing to invest the time to learn it. However, if you're looking for something straightforward and user-friendly, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, especially for creators serious about their content.